Hello, welcome to my channel. So I was craving chocolate Meltaways, so I made some. First step, I spray a rectangular container with PEM. Yeah, that's a little bit too much. And then I put a saran wrap over it, tucking it into the corners, making sure it's as flat as possible. I actually had a very uneven bottom because I was too concerned about the corners and the sides. Then I temper 350 grams of dark chocolate using the seeding method. And that's essentially melting down about 75% of the chocolate to about 45-ish Celsius. Then add in the other 25% of the chocolate gradually, stirring all the while until your chocolate reaches about 31 to 32 degrees Celsius. Tempering chocolate is actually one thing that I really need to work on. So that's 105 grams of coconut oil. It's already at the liquid state, so I just popped it into the microwave for 3 seconds until it reached 31 degrees Celsius. Ignore the paper towel. So I dumped the coconut oil into the tempered chocolate. And since it's orange Meltaways, I added 2 teaspoons of orange extract. I should have doubled that though, because it didn't turn out as strong as I wanted. Starting from the center, very gently, I stir them together. Why gently? So that I don't get splashed by chocolate. Slowly, all the ingredients came together as one, nice and emulsified. And so now I pour the ganache into the mold, cover with a lid, and let it set overnight at room temp. Now this is the next day. The ganache has set firm enough, and so it's ready to be cut. A good amount of icing sugar, flip them all upside down, and of course remove the plastic. More icing sugar on top. Make some marks every 2 centimeters. Now I marked every other line and then came back and marked the rest, only because it's easier for me to see if they're even. Now I guess I should have used parchment because I had to be so careful not to cut through my soap pad. Now I was too lazy to get a pot of hot water, so the cuts were not exactly the cleanest. I guess I could have used a hairdryer though. Scrap. Yum. Now I put all the cut pieces into a bowl of icing sugar, shook them around, made sure they're all covered on all sides, and then I put them in a sieve, sifted out the excess. Look at me, dipping the chocolate into the icing sugar as if it's chicken tenders into sweet Thai sauce. Or mango into chili salt. Equally delicious. Now into my trusted Rubbermaid container. They're creamy, chocolatey, and with a nice hint of orange. Although like I said, I doubled the orange extract to 4 teaspoons though. If you decide to make this, and you generally don't like things to be too sweet, make sure you use 70% chocolate. Alright, if you like this video, please like, comment, share with friends and families, and subscribe to me for more videos to come. Last but not least, thank you so much for watching, and have a good one.